Welcome to the info with me, NOKIA G60, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of these icons, you should click here to this edit icon, and then we can see here this down section was invisible icons, and just to add, for example, the alarm, we should hold, and after that drag it here to this up section. By the same way, we can add here more icons. If you want to remove some of them, by the same way, you just should hold it and then drag it here to the down. And to change the positions of the icons here, you should hold and then just drag it. As you can see, that's so simple to do. Just to save the changes, you should click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.